Hi everyone, Lua here with another quick tutorial from Comalatech. Today I'll show you how you can approve and publish Confluence documents so that external users can see them. This is really useful if you want to create a public wiki, manual, or knowledge base using Confluence, and it's what we use at Comalatech for our own documentation site, which you can see here. Today I'll be showing you how to do this in Confluence Cloud using Comala Publishing. So here in my demo instance, I've created a draft space where I can work on my documents, and a knowledge base space that I want to make public. To connect these spaces together, I'm going to use Comala Publishing, an app that lets you easily copy content from one space to another. To set that up, I'll go to my draft space, and from there I'll go to Space Settings, then Content Tools, then the Publishing app. Now here I can turn on the Comala Publishing app, and then I have to select the target space that I want to send my published pages to. So here I'm going to select the knowledge base space, and then I'll save those changes. And now if I go back to one of my pages, you'll see that a new item has been added up to the byline. And if I click on it, there's a publish button, which I can use to publish my page with just a single press. Now, if I head over to my knowledge base space, you'll see that the page that I just copied has been published and is visible here. So now that I've connected these two spaces, I need to make sure my knowledge base space is accessible to anyone. To do this, I need to be an admin, and I also need to have a paid version of Confluence, so it won't work if you are on a free version. So I'll go up to my settings, and if I navigate down, I'll find the security section here. And under there, click Global Permissions. Then Edit Permissions. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, I can turn on Anonymous Access. And this is a global setting, but you can select which spaces to allow anonymous access to. So to do that, I'll save, and then I'll go down to Space Permissions. Then I'll find the knowledge base space and go to Manage Permissions. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, there's a section for anonymous access. I can edit permissions, and then click View. And this will allow my anonymous users to view the knowledge base space. So I'll save that change. Now let's go back to our published page. We can see up in the byline that it's been synced with our draft version. And now let's copy the URL and open up a private browser and try and open it as an anonymous user. And here we can see the page, see that the byline is not here. And if we go over to spaces, you can see that only the knowledge base space is visible. The draft space and any other spaces are still hidden. So for some of you, this setup might be all you need. You have a private draft space where you can work on documents, a public space for your readers, and a quick and easy way to copy content over. But if you need your draft content to go through an actual formal review process, you can also combine Comala Publishing and Comala Document Management to create a workflow that automatically publishes a page once it's been approved. We'll cover that in a future video, but you can learn more about Comala Publishing, Comala Document Management, or anything else Comalatech by visiting our wiki or reaching out to our support team. Thanks and have a great day.